Wondering if someone's blocked you on WhatsApp? There is no explicit blocked alert, but you can use a combination of clues to confirm it. First, open the chat with that person and tap their name at the top. If you can no longer view their profile photo, and it reverts to WhatsApp's default gray silhouette when you try, that is your first hint. Next, check for their last seen or online status under their name. If it has disappeared and you know they have not changed their privacy settings, that points toward a block. When you send a message, watch for the check marks. If it never advances to 2 ticks after 24 hours, despite both of you having internet access, that is another strong indicator. Finally, try to add them to a new group. Create the group and add their name. If they cannot be added at all or do not appear as a participant after the group is created, you have almost certainly been blocked. By combining these signals, missing profile photo, hidden last seen, single check marks, and group add failures, you can determine whether you have been blocked on WhatsApp. If this helped you, tap like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp guides.